Welcome back to Big Bucks Finance. Today, we're diving into the world of day trading and how you can become the pro that all the gurus advertise. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, this video has everything you need to get started. We'll cover essential strategies, tools, and tips to help you navigate the fast-paced world of day trading. So, grab your notepad and let's get started. Day trading can be a lucrative venture, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and the right strategies. In this video, we'll cover the basics of day trading, essential tools, key strategies, and tips for success. We'll also delve into the mindset needed to thrive in this fast-paced environment and how to manage risks effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide valuable insights to help you navigate the world of day trading like a pro. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know to get started. Step 1. Understanding the basics of day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. The goal is to capitalize on short-term market movements. Common instruments for day trading include stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. The key is to enter and exit positions quickly to lock in profits. Successful day traders use various strategies, such as scalping, momentum trading, and technical analysis. Risk management is crucial. Always set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Utilize advanced trading tools and platforms to stay ahead in the fast-paced market. Continuous learning and practice are essential to mastering day trading and becoming a pro. Step 2. Essential tools for day trading. To be a successful day trader, you'll need a reliable trading platform, fast internet connection, and access to real-time market data. Consider using platforms like thinkorswim, e*trade, or MetaTrader. These platforms offer advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and fast execution. You'll also need a broker with low fees and good customer service. Do your research and choose one that fits your needs. Mobile trading apps can also be a great addition, allowing you to trade on the go. Stay updated with financial news and market trends to make informed decisions. Finally, keep a trading journal to track your trades and improve your strategy over time. Step 3. Developing a trading strategy. Successful day trading requires a solid strategy. Some popular strategies include scalping, momentum trading, and swing trading. Scalping involves making dozens or hundreds of trades in a day to capture small price movements. Momentum trading focuses on stocks moving significantly in one direction with high volume. Swing trading aims to capture short-term price swings within a trend. Choose a strategy that suits your risk tolerance and stick to it. Consistency is key in day trading. Backtesting your strategy on historical data can help refine it. Monitor your trades and make real-time adjustments as needed. Regularly review your performance to identify areas for improvement. With discipline and practice, you can achieve consistent profits. Step 4. Risk management. Protecting your capital is crucial. Never risk more than a small percentage of your trading account on a single trade, typically 1 to 2%. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and always have a risk-reward ratio in mind. A common ratio is 1 to 2, meaning you risk $1 to make $2. Diversify your trades to spread risk across different assets. Regularly review and adjust your trading strategies to adapt to market changes. Keep your emotions in check to avoid impulsive decisions. Maintain a trading journal to track your performance and learn from your trades. Step 5. Technical analysis. Day traders rely heavily on technical analysis to make decisions. Learn to read charts, understand candlestick patterns, and use indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Practice identifying support and resistance levels, as well as trends and reversals. Utilize tools like Fibonacci retracement to enhance your analysis. These skills will help you make informed trading decisions and improve your trading strategy over time. Step 6. Continuous learning and practice. The market is always evolving, and so should your skills. Follow financial news, read trading books, and join online communities to stay updated. Consider using a demo account to practice without risking real money. Platforms like thinkorswim offer paper trading features. Stay informed about the latest market trends and news. Engage with other traders to exchange insights and strategies. Remember, continuous learning is key to staying ahead in the trading game. Step 7. Mindset and discipline. Successful day trading requires mental toughness and discipline. Stay patient, avoid emotional trading, and stick to your strategy. Develop a routine, review your trades, and learn from your mistakes. Consistency and discipline will set you apart from the average trader. It's crucial to maintain a clear mind and stay focused. Meditation or mindfulness exercises can help you stay calm and composed. Remember, the market can be unpredictable, but your response to it doesn't have to be. Stay disciplined, and you'll see progress over time. To recap, becoming a successful day trader involves understanding the basics, using essential tools, developing a strategy, managing risk, practicing technical analysis, continuously learning, and maintaining the right mindset. Remember, day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, practice, and perseverance. But with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve the success that the gurus advertise. Stay motivated, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Engage with the trading community, share experiences, and learn from others. Consistency and patience are key. Over time, you'll see your efforts pay off. Celebrate your small wins and build your confidence step by step. Thanks for watching Big Bucks Finance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and financial strategies. Let us know in the comments what trading strategies you're using or any questions you have. Good luck on your trading journey. Stay tuned for more content from Big Bucks Finance, where we help you navigate the financial markets like a pro. See you in the next video.